We're looking at a few clouds out there this midday. Also seeing a couple of light showers at times moving across the area, and we'll see a few more of those this afternoon. They're very fast moving and they're tiny, so most of us will not see any rain today. We've also got, again, those partly cloudy skies out there. That is tropical moisture coming in from way down south in the southern Gulf of Mexico. Our high pressure is continuing to retreat off towards the east, becoming a little bit weaker, so that's what's allowed those showers to kind of get going. They've started them off this morning. We saw some yesterday morning as well, so we'll keep that 20% chance in for this afternoon, and a mix of clouds and sun as we've been seeing already this midday. And then that sea breeze looks to kind of make its way westward a little bit, so we may see a little bit fewer clouds across the lower valley. And then overnight tonight we'll see the clouds roll back in again, and a couple of those isolated showers by tomorrow morning is not out of the question. We could see a few of those overnight as well. Lower 90s for the lower valley into the mid valley, and then mid 90s as you go westward. So these numbers coming down a little bit from yesterday. Lower to middle 80s out along the coast, and those winds have been gusting up around 20 to 25 miles per hour, so not too bad in that category. Overnight tonight, then, another warm one. A lot of us will be in the upper 70s. 74 is where we should be. Those winds will be fairly light east-southeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heading out to the island today, lower 80s for high temperatures, a little bit of a breeze, 82-degree water temperature, though. That's nice. Getting warmer and warmer. Rip current risk will be moderate today, and that surf is running 3 to 4 feet. And out on the bay, looking at a moderate chop today. Bay water temperature also at 82 degrees. Sunset tonight is at 8:19. Out in the tropics, so we have Agatha from a couple days ago, the remnants now, just off the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. It is still looking to become at least a tropical depression over the next couple of days as it pulls away from land and out over the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico. That's what's keeping it from becoming something as it stands right now. Again, right on the east coast there of Mexico, but still expected to drift northeastern towards southern tip of Florida. Now, a 70% chance of development over the next 2 days, 80% over the next 5 days. Again, once it gets out of the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to have a shot to become at least, as I mentioned, a tropical depression. Then the Hurricane Center watching this area as well. This one's pulling away, just a 10% chance there off the coast of Florida. So a couple scenarios here. If it becomes a little bit stronger and becomes a tropical storm, that tends to push a little bit further towards the west into central Florida. If it remains just an area of low pressure or even a tropical depression, it would tend to move a little bit further down towards the southern Florida. Either way, we have high pressure to the west, keeping it away from Texas, and then high pressure off towards the east, kind of pushing it right through this little canal there, and that's why Florida is in the crosshairs. It is officially titled Invest AL91, and so the computer models are starting to pick up on it. And again, somewhere around Florida is the potential, and that would bring quite a bit of rainfall. Rainfall estimates from forecast models anywhere from 6 to 10 inches plus, mainly across southern Florida right now, but again, it just depends on how that system exactly tracks up towards Florida. Then first name on the storm list for this year in the Atlantic is Alex. So could that be the one? We have to watch and see. It's going to be close. There is a look at your Valley Storm Team weather app. Is available for free in your app store. Just search KVEO. 7-day forecast then with the weekend always in view, and we've just got simple weather here. Isolated showers today, isolated showers tomorrow, nothing significant. Lower to middle 90s as we go into Friday, and then it warms up a little bit further for Saturday, Sunday. Breezy conditions return Sunday into Tuesday. We need to dry out a little bit more here, so I think it's okay that we're looking at minimal rain chances, as we saw earlier, your story about the mosquito spraying. Yeah. That's kind of what we got to work with now.